Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy, back with another video. Guys, I'm so excited today. I got Bloves Smackalicious sauce right here. If y'all haven't seen how I made it yet, go check that video out. And I have some fried chicken. I'm gonna dip this thing in some fried chicken. I have some eggs, some boiled eggs, and I have some lime. Because I want to be all extra, because they always use lime. Get this thing and put the lime on that and do that and do that. Okay. So, let me try the chicken, because that's what so what I've been waiting on. Oh man, I got some water right here. Quench my thirst. Oh shit. Hold on. Where's the thing? Where is it? Alright, there you go. Better. Everything's up better. Let me push this over. Got the sauce. Dig this in. Guys, this sauce is so thick. Let me get up in there. See that? Hold on. Make sure y'all can see. Just dredge it all over it, okay? All over it. Oh, let me try it. Let me get some lime. Ooh, get some lemon. Guys, I've been waiting to try this all week. Well, probably more than a week now. Ooh, I need to get some napkins. Guys, the sauce is very thick. The onions and the seasoning. Try my egg. Ooh. Ooh, this egg's so fragile. Ooh. Oh man. Guys, I'm so excited because I always watch people eat this. Ooh. I'm gonna get a napkin and I'll be right back because this thing getting too messy. Alright guys, so had to get a piece of napkin because this thing was getting too messy for me. Ooh. Oh shit. Honestly, I love it with the egg. They so good. I'm like a damn savage. There you go. There you go. I'm giving y'all a bite. Get a bite. Get a bite. If y'all out there and y'all want to do a collab with your girl, let me know. Or if y'all want me to do a collab with someone else that you follow, let them know to hit me up. Your girl trying to grow. Grow. Let me zoom in. Alright, there you go. So I gotta stay close so light is wonderful. Woo. You definitely get a little kick with the salsa. At first I thought it wasn't spicy, but that thing creeps up. Ooh. Creeps up on you. Guys, the spiciness creeps up. I can definitely say it's not as spicy as those Korean noodle challenge things. But will definitely have you tear up a little bit. And right we go. Woo! Drink some water. Yo, this thing is messy. Ain't no way. If you eat a seafood boil and you're not messy, even though this is not a seafood boil, it got to be messy. Okay, dipping in the sauce and then with the chicken and the crab and whatever y'all eating. Oh, I'm so thirsty. Have a nice cold water, man. I just put in the freezer. Say nice and cold. Whew. All right, there you go. Ooh. Oh shoot. Ooh. Oh shoot. Yep. I think, guys, I really need to try it with actual. I need to do a seafood mukbang. But if I love it with the eggs, yeah. Imagine if I had some crab legs. Remember, guys, I did not use. I didn't use the pickled ginger. Did they say you can adjust it? And tweak it however you want to. Oh, let me try it with a lime. Ooh, with a lemon. I'm just not. The lime is too strong. The lemon is too strong. Maybe I'm just not a fan of lemon. feel like it's too citrusy, too strong for me. Guys, have some. Woo. Woo. Spicy. Guys, I love the collab that she did with the Baddie Twins. Y'all need to go check out that collab. This shit was fun. Whew. She's such a giving person. Like, I just love her spirit. Guys, it's spicy. You see that? My nose is running. This thing, it creeps up on you like no lie. Hold on, blow my nose. Whew. Let me zoom out. So, y'all, well, if y'all been watching me, y'all know that I went to Jamaica for my, let me zoom out, okay, for my younger sister's wedding. She just got married like 2 weeks ago. And last week, my oldest brother proposed to his lady. Talking about they gonna get married soon. I said, Jesus, me I just done one wedding. I just come from one wedding. I just came from one wedding. Now y'all planning another one? Like, where am I to get money from? Jesus, money to grow up on tree. One wedding to the next wedding. So my mom's like, when you and your older sister gonna get married? Everybody else getting married. Cause she got married about 2 years ago. No, about a year and a half ago. She got married. My younger sister just got married. My oldest brother just proposed to his lady. They've been together for like over 8 years with kids now. Now she said, me and my older sister, when we gonna get married? I'm like, goddamn. It's coming. Don't rush the process. Trying to rush us just cause she married and she married. Just cause they married. Trying to rush us. I guess the guys we come across, they're playing around. They don't want nothing serious. They say they want something, but they don't want them. See, I don't want my chicken too crunchy. Talking about everybody getting married. Everybody start off picking you out. What y'all waiting on? What y'all waiting on? No, manners. It's coming. Just bless up. Give God thanks. God will send the right one. Guys, this, oh yeah, the video, the recipe for this chicken will be out on today's what? When I'm gonna post this? Wednesday. So It'll be out on Friday. So to make this, how I made the chicken, will be out on Friday. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that recipe. I actually like this chicken. Mm. 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 Y'all, this chicken is so good by itself with the sauce. Just bomb. Either way it can go. You see this? Cooked through right. See that nice, beautiful pink? Well, not pink, but just right. I hope y'all not looking at the one nail that's missing. Yeah, I know it fell off. So I'm supposed to be taking up my hair tonight. So when I get finished with this video, I'm gonna start taking it out. I'm gonna cut it off. I'm gonna cut it off because y'all already know I don't have that much hair. So I can cut it real low and it just starts unraveling. So boom. Shouldn't take me no time to take this out. It's gonna be quicker. That's a good thing about having short hair. It's so easy. So easy and quick to take out the hair. No matter how long it is, cut that thing off and boom. Boom shakalaka, it's done. Mm. 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 And guys, I have the rest of my seasoning, my sauce in the freezer. So anytime I'm doing another mukbang or whatever, I can just pull that out. Oh. Oh. Mm. 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 Just put it out and reuse it. You got a little bit more water in it. You got a little bit more chicken stock or Coca-Cola. When you're reheating it, give it some more volume. Mm. Mm. I'll make this chicken again for sure. This chicken was good. Chicken was good. I'm not a big fan of the lime. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Woo. I'm supposed to be going to Halloween Horror Nights. I don't know if I should film that. I don't know if I should make a video on that, but we'll see. I'm not sure. Because y'all already know when I go places, I'm really bad at filming. Really bad. Really bad, as y'all can see when I went to Jamaica. Should have filmed more, but I didn't. I'm sorry. Your girl is sorry. Done. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social medias, Instagram and Snapchat. Everything will be in the description down below. So make sure y'all check out that description, okay? Okay, and leave me a nice comment. Bye. Catch y'all on the next one.